This is truthfully not the lighting, but hello.
Hi, how are you doing?
We're back.
Look at this mug. It is pretty red, and I do apologize.
Why is it so red?
Maybe I'm just getting a little hot from all the anxiety of, being back on YouTube.
I opened the window.
I've been gone for a little bit, as has Sophia Chanel Rose.
Oh. Thank you for that.
If you haven't noticed, all those YouTube videos that she's posted lately, they're not new.
They're not.
Sorry about it.
They're not new. When are they from?
They're not. At least, 4 years at least. Probably 5, let's be honest.
So what's changed in 4 years?
I mean, she definitely got a new wig. And we can see that.
Not
girl.
that I'm wearing.
And she got a new eye color. I don't know what doctor does that, girl.
Oh my god, that was way too close. We're not showing them. We're not recording.
Let's do the where we
move. Thank you. So I moved recently. This is my new house. I'm in the process of moving.
And I must say, it's a nice house. It does have its drawbacks. Mostly a sound.
But the sound is gone.
I mean, it mostly is in her head, but that's another video. I think that's another.
We've had a lot of mental health.
Just a few mental health issues that we probably will elaborate on in the future,
or just allude to.
Mind you, allude, yeah, because we don't want to trigger anyone. That's not a good thing.
There might be some trigger warnings.
There's a large trigger warning. Look at this red face, honey. Okay.
Large.
It's just
not me.
That's a trigger in itself. But
this is not the lighting. That's a trigger for me. No. Is the food gonna arrive? I'm hungry. Okay.
Is this like a mukbang or
Are we why are we still talking?
I don't know. Has everyone seen Sophia Chanel's new tattoos? It's really hard to miss, but yeah, they're right there. Thanks to our male viewers for coming back.
Thank you to our 98% male viewers.
We really appreciate you, and I don't know how this will go down with a the channel, but we can't say that. Okay.
Oh, the food finally arrived.
Yay! I'm sitting on this cat's tail.
Oh my god, we got some food,
wow,
henty.
And we got some red face. Okay.
We got some red face, honey. We got some egg rolls. Oh my god. This is not working.
Should we just say it's a failed mukbang? We got too hungry.
Got some egg rolls. We got some other shit. Yeah, this is gonna be the worst mukbang ever. Do you want a fork?
We'll still watch, right?
Probably not.
Maybe 5 hours.
Probably.
I'm kidding. Actually, we're actually on this channel to make a difference. So we're gonna just start being nicer.
They wanna see the food though, is the thing. But they still can't see the food.
We can't see our faces.
This is literally not working.
Well, then let's just eat.
So, okay. Sorry y'all. This is not working.
We didn't really anticipate.
Oh my god, yum.
Oh wow. Oh wow. If you could see this right now.
Well, we can just still eat.
In front of the cam?
Sure. Okay. Oh my god. Isn't the mustard good? Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god. So we got big bowl. We're eating some egg rolls.
I don't know. You're just
I want to thank everyone for...
I want to thank everyone for,
for
listening to Sophia
us.
Chanel for so many years. I mean, it's really...
First day, it's really...
It's been hard for me, and I can't imagine for you.
Thank y'all for joining us.
Thank
We'll
you.
make another video. This is like our third outro. This is our last outro.
Thank you so much for, watching this. We really appreciate you watching. This is just like a new thing for us. We've never been on camera before. So strange why we look so good. But like anyways, have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good tomorrow.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah.
Stay fresh. Ooh, hang on.
Hello, welcome to Sophia Chanel Productions.
And we already did the intro.
Hello.
We already did the intro. Why you off screen, how? Bring it back. Bring it back.
Welcome to this red face. Welcome to these beautiful...
She's really insecure about a red face tonight.
Okay.
Hang on. I just like... I need
Anyways.
to adjust.
Okay.